In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Weebly. To get started, log into your Weebly account and open the site you want to work on. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Edit Site to enter the website editor. This is where you'll access the design settings and the code files needed to add your font manually. Next, go to the theme section. Inside the theme area, click Edit HTML/CSS. This opens the code editor, which gives you access to your site files, including style sheets and uploaded assets. If you've never been in this section before, just move carefully and focus only on the files mentioned in this tutorial. On the left side, look for the Files folder, click the plus icon to add New Files. Here you'll upload your font files. Make sure you're using web-friendly font formats such as UOF, WOF2, or TTF. In general, WOF and WOF2 are preferred because they're optimized for websites and tend to load more efficiently. After your font files are uploaded, go to the Styles section and open your main style sheet. Depending on your theme, this file is usually called something like mainstyle.css or style.css. This is the file where you'll define the custom font and tell Weebly where to use it on your site. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the style sheet. At the end of the code, paste your @FontFace rule and make sure it points to the exact font file you uploaded. This rule is what connects the font name you want to use in CSS with the actual file stored in your theme files. Be careful with spelling here, because even a small mismatch in the file name or font family name can prevent the font from loading correctly. Once the font is defined, assign it to the site elements you want to change, such as headings, titles, or paragraph text. This is done by applying the font family name from your @FontFace rule to those specific CSS selectors. If you only want the font on certain parts of the site, target those elements directly instead of changing everything at once. When you're done, click Save to store your code changes, then publish your website so the new font appears on the live version of your site. After publishing, it's a good idea to preview the site and check that the font displays correctly on different pages. If you don't see the update right away, refresh your browser or clear the cache to load the latest version. And that's how to add custom fonts in Weebly.